So unless you're planning extremely far ahead for retirement or your job offers this option, you probably don't know what a 401k is. You might have heard of it a few times and you know better than to think it's someone giving you $401,000. How's it going, everyone? My name is Zaldy with Strategic Wealth Designers, and this is a 401k simply explained in less than 5 minutes. So a 401k is basically a retirement plan, and it goes like this. Say you just got a job and they offer a 401k benefit. Now we're going to symbolize that as this piggy bank. If you decide to participate, then a portion of your salary goes into this account. Hold up. You're probably asking, why would I give up part of my hard-earned money to this? Well, that's a good question. First off, there can be big tax benefits when you contribute to your 401k, and you can use those contributions as deductions. You know how you have to file taxes every year? Well, this can help you either get more in your return or not pay as much. Second benefit of a 401k is that if your employer offers a match, that's basically free money. Who doesn't like free money? I know you like free money. So, for example, let's say for the sake of numbers, you make $50,000 a year, and you choose to contribute 5% of that while your employer has a 5% match. 5% of $50,000 is $2,500. So that means you contributed $2,500 to your 401k, and your employer also contributed $2,500. And that's what I mean when I say it's free money. Now, what happens to that money while it's in your 401k is completely up to you, but most people choose to invest it so that it has the potential to grow for many years. Now, keep in mind that this is a retirement savings plan, so there are some rules you have to follow, and you can't just withdraw money from the account like you would a checking account. When you withdraw money from your 401k, income taxes are due, and you could be charged a 10% tax penalty as well, unless strict criteria are met, including you reach the age of 59 and a half, you experience a specific hardship as defined under the 401k plan document, you leave your job and roll over the funds to a new employer plan or IRA, and finally, the 401k plan could be terminated. So, choose wisely if you decide to take the money out of this account before it's time. Now, there are other aspects of the 401k to consider, such as different types of 401ks, how to choose your investments, and rolling over dormant 401ks. But those are topics for another day since we're only covering the basics in this video. If you want to learn what to do with a 401k, or if you have any other questions on what's going on in the finance world, let us know in the comments section and we'll answer those in future videos. And also, if you want to learn about other financial topics, subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. My name is Zaldy, and we'll see you in the next video.